back to my channel. Today I'll be doing a papaya cinnamon hair mask. Basically, you'll just need some papaya, the seeds, coconut oil, and olive oil. You're just gonna blend it in the blender. Once that's done, you're gonna put it in a bowl, a cup, or whatever you're gonna use. Then you're gonna add 1 teaspoon in it. Now you're just gonna stir until the cinnamon isn't clumpy. Okay, fun fact, some of you guys may not know, but according to beautyglimpse.com, cinnamon helps improve overall health of the hair by providing nourishment for hair and scalp. It also prevents hair breakage. It keeps the hair looking shiny and healthy. It promotes blood circulation in the scalp. It stimulates hair growth and it reduces hair fall. Now, some of you guys may already know about papaya, but according to Style Craze, papaya stimulates hair growth because of its folic acid that helps improve circulation to the hair follicles. Also, it controls dandruff. Papaya seeds are great to use to help reduce dandruff. As you may know, dandruff is a fungal infection. So, the antifungal properties of the seeds controls and prevent the dandruff. Additionally, papaya can restore the life of your hair by making it soft and hydrating it. Since papaya has a high content of vitamin A, it promotes the production of sebum. As you may know, sebum is our body's natural oil, and that helps keep our hair conditioned and moisturized. Now, you don't really have to use olive oil or coconut oil. You can use any oil of your choice, but that's just the 2 oils that I have and I normally would use on a regular, especially coconut oil. Okay, so you guys, this is my first time using this hair mask, so I started from the ends and made my way up to the roots. I didn't put it on my scalp because I wasn't sure how my scalp would have reacted to it, but overall my hair, it was nice, it was soft, it smelled really good, and I felt like I got a little extra shine from it. By the way, you guys could use way more papaya than I did to get that creamy texture, because I think that's the real texture you want to get from the mask. But I only used a little bit of papaya because it wasn't mine, so yeah. It was a mine, so I used like a little bit. Y'all, I was laughing at friends. Excuse me, but I was laughing at friends. Anyway, you guys can leave a comment below. Let me know what's your go-to oil and what hair mask I should try next. Or what's your favorite hair mask that you like to use? Let me know in the comment section, so I'll give it a try.
Ryan Little.
Okay, so this was after I washed my hair, conditioned it, and all that good stuff. Now I am just going to moisturize it and twist it back up. For the moisturizer, I'll be using some hair butter that I made with shea butter and aloe. And I like to use that because it helps promote growth for my hair and it makes my hair soft.
Ryan Little.
Now I'm just blow drying my hair with twists because honestly I was too lazy to do a blowout and twist it back up. So I was just like, you know what, I'm gonna just twist it up while it's wet and blow dry it. You know, just pull it and blow dry it so it can stretch. So this is after I blow dried it, and the next day I rocked the twist out. So my hair seems to be a bit more shinier, and yeah, it was soft. The softness lasted for a little while, so the hair mask did do some justice to it.
Ryan Little.
I just want to thank you guys for watching, especially if you made it this far to the video. Leave a comment below, let me know what you guys think. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Let me know if you would try the mask or not, and don't forget to drop your favorite mask that you like to use or your favorite oil. And thanks for watching again. Oh yeah, peace out, baby.